Good afternoon, Rob Ellis from FIA. So I'm up in our training room here in Woburn, Massachusetts, basically at our headquarters. And right here I have an FTX boiler. So one of the things we'll talk about are, sometimes we're talking about our commercial boilers, talking about our residential boilers. Our FTX boiler line, that's that mid-range, light commercial product, 400,000 to 850,000 BTUs. Now, the FTXL shares the Lochinvar gas train, our negative regulation technology that we see in all our boilers. So basically I have my combination gas valve here, I have my fan, I have my venturi. As it draws the air in through the intake, that venturi draws the gas in, down into the fan, and then that fan is going to push it down into the burner. So I got the burner right here. And what that does is it pushes down through the burner, and I spark. I'm going to get a nice light around this burner and this Alcro mesh metal surface on it. So when we're talking PM and servicing, what's really important is cleaning this burner. Now generally, we're going to clean this burner, 90 psi of air pressure is what we want to do, and we're going to take our time, back and forth in a nice slow motion, all the way around, making sure we get it clean. Because as you look at it, as I have openings on this side, they don't really line up, so you can't always blow through it. I always like to go at an angle, and then clean out anything you might find in here. Now when you open the FTXL, generally pull this apart, you're looking at your burner, and then your burners are going to come out from there. So to access the FTXL, we really have our nuts and bolts right here, 3/8 studs, okay, all the way around the top here. So remove those. I'm generally a fan of taking all this off as one piece, one complete assembly, taking it out of there, doing our service work. We'll put it back together, obviously replacing our gaskets, our burner gaskets. In the FTXL, there's 2 burner gaskets. One on the bottom of the burner and one on the top of the burner. We'll put those together. It kind of makes a little pancake scenario, if you will. Loctite, the Loctite 561 on the studs is a great thing when you're putting it back together. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a minute, I'm going to grab this top off, and then we'll come back and take a look inside.